Hello little children. I think you can remember the colors what I taught you early. Now here the colors we are going to learn another new color today. This is what you learned earlier, right? Red color, blue color, yellow color and green color. These are the colors you learned earlier, right? Now today I am going to teach you another color, right? We'll revise again. Red, blue, yellow and green. Earlier we learned these colors. Now today a new color I am going to introduce you. This color. This is orange. This is orange color. This is we call orange color, right? Now here orange color. Now here red color, green color, blue color, yellow color and the new color orange color, right? Red, green, blue, yellow, orange, right? Again we'll read red color, green color, blue color, yellow color and orange color. Now we see, now there are fishes here. Fish, 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. They are looking at the colors. We'll see. Where's red color? Here red, here red, and here red color, here red color, here red color, and here red color, and here also red. Now here red color, right? Here also red color, right? Now we see the next color, blue. Here blue color, here blue, here blue, here blue, here blue, and here also blue. Now here blue, here blue, and here blue, right? Now yellow color. You see yellow. What are the parts they have? Yellow. Here yellow, here yellow, and here yellow, and here yellow, and here yellow, right? We'll go to green color. See, here green, green, here green, here also green, and here green, and here green, and here green, here green, and here green, and here green. Now not the same green. It can be dark green, light green, and here light green and here dark green. Our green is light green. This also green. We call green color. Even red like that. Here light. Lightly when you color it's like light red. But here dark red. Here red, right? Here blue we finish. Yellow we finish. Our new color is, what's the color? Orange. Here orange. Now this fish. Here light orange. Here. Now here orange color. Here orange. Now this light orange. Now here orange. Okay. Now we'll read the colors again. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color and orange color, right? Now next lesson we are going to match the colors, right? Okay, thank you for listening. Hope you can remember the colors and enjoy your coloring lessons using those colors, and thank you for listening children. Thank you very much.